Okay, today we're going to take a look at a newer General Electric. So, I picked this up off the street today, this morning. I cleaned it all up. It was a little dirty. So, when I first picked it up off the street, I assumed this is not going to work. It's a General Electric. I think it's made by High Air. Not positive of that, but anyway, we know that these newer General Electrics are junk. It's like the worst air conditioner you can buy. But surprisingly, this does work, and there seems to be nothing wrong with it. So, there's the label. It's an 8100. And I think that says it was made in December 2022, somewhere on here. I don't know where, but yeah, it's made in Thailand, which I usually only see that on the LG air conditioners, but it's the first time I've seen one of these made in Thailand. So, yeah, I was quite amazed that there was nothing wrong with this. Something I would have just thrown in the trash anyway, because usually these don't work. So, let's turn it on. No, that's something to do with the display shuts off or something. You gotta press it twice. It's got this light up display here, which it's hard to see. So, we're on low. Oh, it's on eco. Right now we're on cool. So yeah, this seems to work fine. I don't know why they threw it out, but whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to try to sell this quick before it breaks. Yeah, that's a Broad Ocean fan motor, which it's just a Chinese motor. And that is a Quingen compressor, which actually sounds really nice. Yeah, this actually runs really nice. Yeah, normally these things, they'll just stop blowing cold air, or the control panel breaks. They got circuit board problems. I was quite shocked that it actually worked. Panel shuts off when you. Alright, that's medium. Got low, medium, high. And high. Fan's pretty good on this. It's low again. It's not the quietest air conditioner, but it is fairly quiet. Definitely not noisy. Compressor sounds great. So yeah, this has Wi-Fi on it. So yeah, you can get a good price for this. 2 years old. It's got Wi-Fi. It's an 8000. So that's what I call a good score. in. There we go. And you got two sets of louvers here with little like ratchets on it. So yeah, it's a pretty nice air conditioner. So there you go. That's a GE 8000. I will see you next time.